Hey, this is Kit RCT. I'm still breaking in my Losi 5IVE-B, so I'm going to start it up. Alright.
Yeah, nothing's on. Oh yeah, it is.
It is.
Nope, card's not on.
Oh. Could have sworn I turned it on.
I'm gonna take off. There we go.
Now it's on. There we go. You want to film it? I could probably drive it better.
Yeah, I can.
Yeah, so I'm still breaking the game.
Mm-hmm.
Running rich, so
Yeah. That's probably about a tank and a quarter, and you still want it really rich.
yeah.
break-in method that me and Kit usually use is about a half a tank of idling, something like that. And then just real low throttle from there, barely, not over half a throttle, for about the first tank and a half.
Probably gonna have to adjust the rear shocks a little bit.
Yeah, but then you keep it real rich. It was already set real rich. You could definitely tell all the smoke coming out, all the oil and shit.
I'm barely hitting it.
Yep, yeah. That's like barely a quarter throttle, probably.
Yeah. That's like barely a quarter. Right?
Yeah, yeah. Yeah, and that MOD clutch too, it's engaging like almost instantly.
The racing clutch in there.
Yeah, that's engaging almost instantly when you hit the fucking gas.
Oh hell yeah, that's nice.
Yeah, I need one for sure.
I haven't even touched the settings on this card yet.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's running pretty damn good, I think.
Yeah, oh no, that's good. Yeah, look at all that smoke.
You can tell it's running good.
Right, rich as fuck.
Sounds like it just wants to take off.
Yeah, it just wants to fucking book. Nope, can't do it right now.
You can hear the clutch a little?
Yeah.
That's the clutch, whatever that noise is. Sounds like a humming noise or something.
Flywheel or something.
Like
flywheel.
Yeah.
I would say.
Huh?
Probably the flywheel.
Yeah, the flywheel or something.
Mine makes the same noise.
Yeah, you hear it right there?
Yeah.
I know these tires are for dirt racing, but oh well.
Yeah, you're not going very fast. So.
You could always buy more of these.
Yeah,
tires.
as long as you're not peeling out like a motherfucker in the streets, then they'll last a while. Yeah, that's like a quarter, probably.
Yeah,
barely a quarter, probably. It might be like half or more by now. How rich it is, probably is. And there's a car. Got a quarter in there, maybe it looks like.
What?
Then you got a quarter, maybe it looks like. Yeah, about a quarter tank. That's what I would say, probably. I don't know your tank really. Looks like about a quarter to me.
Last time I had about that.
Yeah, and it went through it kind of quick. Yeah,
Got it.
went through it somewhat fast. You got pretty good venting. That's not crazy. It's not crazy hot. That's about regular. I mean, it's pretty warm, but that's normal. Yeah, you got good cooling and shit, good venting. Yeah.
Wait till I tune it in more. It's gonna really go.
Oh yeah. So if somebody sees this video on YouTube and they put it slow, there's a fucking reason it's going slow.
Yeah, breaking in the engine.
Yeah. You have to go slow breaking it in. Not like an electric where you just, bam, everything's good, you're good to go. Nope.
Yeah.
Nitro, gas, same way. You have to make sure you get that brake in right, or else the engine's always fucked up.
It's going to the right there, but it could be because it's on the street.
Yeah. Looks like your steering's pretty good. It's going straight.
Yeah, but it has such good grip on this street. It kind of pulls it to the right.
Yeah, a little bit.
To the left, whatever way.
Yeah. It's 11 minutes. That's about halfway the battery.
Oh. So 11 minutes I've been running it.
Yeah. But give or take a few minutes, because it was on a couple minutes before you drove it. Or before you turned it on. So maybe like 9 minutes you've actually been running it.
Yeah, I haven't made a video in like 4 months.
Yeah, I need to throw one up too in my car.
The first time I fired it up in like 4 months to break it in more.
Yeah,
I should have broke it in more, but I didn't.
Yeah.
Another shit.
Another shit. No more than half. I'm sure you know that. Yeah.
Barely, not even a quarter.
Yeah.
Just barely touching it.
I think with that clutch, you would kick my car's ass. But if I threw that clutch in mine, I think we'd be pretty fucking even.
Yeah, sure.
I mean, you saw how good mine's going. That thing is booking. I get about half throttle when the clutch fully kicks in, and it fucking books. That thing goes. Plenty of ventilation.
Yeah, I guess I cut the holes out good enough.
You got plenty of ventilation.
Yeah, I cut holes out all over the damn body.
That should be just fine.
That sounds cool right there when I let off. Like a dirt bike or something.
Yeah.
Look at that beast, guys. Burn alone 30.5 briefcase engine. 30 now. Going back to the pit. kill switch.
Yeah, that's about 15 minutes.
Yeah.
That's what you want when you're breaking it in, little 15-minute increments.
Yeah. Yeah, it's running good. Alright guys, figured I'd make a little, update video. I haven't ran this thing in a while. But yeah, it's pretty much ready, getting there. Getting ready to go. Alright guys, this is Kit RCT, signing out. Later. Bye.